Oh, heads up.
Isa sa mapapasayaan magpapakainin ng event natin ngayon, alright? Medyo ma-echo lang yung microphone, so naiintindihan naman po, no? Naririnig naman po. Okay. So now, everyone, practicing niya natin yung palakpakan natin ng tigasawang iyawan, alright ha? Makikinig lang po tayo kay Kuya Host at the count of 3, all you have to do, palakpak tayo. Pag sinabi na ni Kuya Host na pwede pa kami makinig. Kasi muna tayo habang yung iba wala pa, no? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Everyone, pwede po ba kami makinig ng isang malakas na palakpakan? Okay, kasama! Iyawan! Yes, that's it.
I'm here too.
Everyone, I hope hanggang mamaya ay talaga.
Hello. I want to get that shirt that Amato's wearing because Ricardo's got the fire hat on too, right?
Your host.
Nice. I got a shirt too.
Ba't may ampaw ka?
Oh.
Super handsome, kind of fast one. Everyone, Friends and relatives, the wait is over. The reason why we're gathered here is to celebrate someone truly special that because a father's love is like no other. They're like superheroes. A father's love knows no boundaries, no limitations, and certainly no conditions. It is a foundation that shaped us into who we are today.
Amado Sarmiento, our tatak. Hear the heart desires of the celebrator and answer him exceedingly and abundantly. We recall today the day of Tatak's birth and filled with beauty, love, and nourishment. As we stand here today preparing to celebrate Tatang's birthday, help us to remember your provision and goodness with thankful hearts. Father, bless our food and grant all those who eat that it may be strong in body and spirit, and may the celebrator continue to grow in your love, goodness, and favor. Thank you for bringing us together for this
hihingin ko na po ang ating magic amaw. Asa na po ang